Yeah, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, if you're new to this channel, please do what to subscribe to our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. So, in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can make money texting. You understand? The truth is, I've had a lot of people message me on the Telegram group that they want a simple video about how they can make money, chatting and texting, this and that. And I made a video few days ago about that, and here I am here again making another video about it. So guys, if you're new to our channel, you're welcome. We have a Telegram group or channel, so I'll be dropping the link in the description box where you can join and chat with me directly. So the channel today, the video today I'll be showing you is how you can make money texting. So the name of the website is Texting Factory. Texting Factory is spelled as Texting, then Factory, Factor. Now it says become a chat operator and work from home. You understand? You can work from anywhere you are as a chat operator. So I'll just be going through some of the questions because I know some of you will bombard me with questions here. So he said, how much can I make with Testing Factory? He said, as of February 11, the average annual pay, that's yearly pay for a texting factory in the United States is $68,000. $68,129 a year. That's if you're working with this company, you get paid $68,129 in a year. That is the average you can get paid. You understand? Here is another one. It says, what is all about Texting Factory? I mean, I think they're trying to ask what Texting Factory is all about. Texting Factory is a platform that hires chat operators for adult sites that provide casual or erotic messaging services. These are fantasy based texts, also known as online flirting. So please, if you're a married boy, a married woman, don't even sign up on this website too. I don't want to hear you sef also that cost it to sef also that say we should go and make money. I don't want to hear that one. Getting paid for what you do on a normal day. Some of we ladies, we flirt normally on our phone when we are chatting with guys. We flirt normally. Even guys too flirt normally. Omo, I know say you fine like this. So, hey, you are so beautiful. You know those kind of things now. So let's check for texting factory review. A legit $300 per week or a big scam. What they are just basically saying is that do people actually make the $300 in a week on texting factory, or it is a big scam? So let's read what they have to say. Some people have worked for and are still working for Texting Factory who have been paid. Some people have worked for and are still working for the Texting Factory who have been paid. Also, adult chat sites are a real thing. People, men mostly, do pay for this service, and although some may be some may have ethical issues with what's happening here. Now, here is the thing. There are some people that will pay you to chat in a matured way with them. You understand what I mean? You get, and men mostly. The truth is, most of these chatting websites, most of those people that make money on the chatting website are mostly ladies. You understand? Because between me and you, we know that ladies will barely pay to chat with another lady or a guy. But the guys are the ones that will pay, like the men are the ones that will pay to chat with the ladies. You understand? So it says it is a legitimate industry. I quote, it is a legitimate what? Industry. Now this industry is actually legit. You understand? So there is no aki panky, any whatever that you can think of about this website. The only thing that I like about this job is being paid weekly. I have other operator jobs where I could write a million messages without them threatening me. So if they do fire, I have other options. So Texan factory will pay you weekly, but I think if you misbehave with them, they will just fire you. So but there is a comma to this particular video here, but let me just keep reading. Is text free? Okay, I just want to read a few things about this texting factory so that you have an idea of what the texting factory is, or the pros and cons. Please, I'm still saying this thing, because of some illicit things that you might see. It's basically, I think the website is basically for adults. You understand? It is for adults. Yeah, so it says, what are the pros and cons of working at Texan factory? According to review on Glassdoor, employees commonly mention the pros of working with Texan factory to be benefits, management, career development, and cons to be culture and workplace. You understand? I think this particular website requires you to have a good workplace, like a noise free environment. But the thing is, they have a lot of benefits associated with it, and their management are okay. And if you're looking to develop your career in maybe chat support or something like that, you can sign up on their website. Now there is a con to this, so, and the reason I majorly did this video is actually because of my subscribers abroad, not Nigeria. Like, my subscribers abroad, I have some subscribers that are not Nigeria, I have them outside the country, and they are requesting for more of this chatting this thing. The only con to this one is, I have a question here I want to look into. Does texting factory work in Nigeria? So it says payment method includes BitSafe, PayPal, and direct bank transfer. We do not accept, please note this, we do not accept applications from Nigeria. We do not accept applications from Nigeria, India, South Africa, Kenya, and Jamaica at this time. And this could change in the future. You understand? This was actually said sometimes ago, but I don't know how true it is for now. But if you probably have a VPN, like a good strong VPN, you can sign up on this website without them detecting you. Now, if you don't have, please just let my subscribers or viewers that are not from these countries, that are not from India, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and Jamaica, feel free to sign up on this website. You understand? So all you just need to do, I don't want this video to be too long. All you just need to do is to input your email, I think your name and your email, and then you let them email you, and then from there you continue your sign up process. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please let us know if you've looked up on this website, if you've started making money, and what you think about this website. Thank you.